Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can prevent Snapchat from sharing your location. So make sure you open Snapchat on your phone and tap where it says map here. And then what you want to do is to tap on the gear on the top right hand side of the screen. And then you will see this option here, ghost mode. Make sure you select that, and now it's going to prompt me for the duration of my ghost mode. I'm going to select until turned off, but then again there's these other options here which you can pick. Now whenever I record a video or take a picture on Snapchat, my location will not be tracked. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.